Hello students, welcome back to our mathematics class. My name is Anjali and today we are going to discuss chapter 6 of class 7. So I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Okay, very good students. So let's start with our today's class. Students, I am going to show you something, okay? You have to identify that. Are you able to see something? Yes, what it is visible to you? Yes, there is a single dot, you can say. A point is there. Very good students. And what about students now? What are you able to see? Yes, you are able to see two dots. 2 points are there on the screen. Very good. Now let me show you something else. Yes, students, what are you able to see now? There are 3 dots, right? One more has been increased. Now there are 3 dots. Very good, 3 points you can say. Now students, if I ask you to join these dots, okay, from one another, such that what you will make. Yes, you can see that how if we have to join these dots. Let's start joining these dots like this. You will join with one to another. Yes, very good. And what is this, students? Yes, this is a line. Very good. Let us draw another line by joining these 2 points. And now you will join these 2 points also. Very good, students. So now students, we have joined the three dots and we have joined it using the lines, like we have attached the two different dots. So now students, do you know that what is the name of this shape which we have got? No? Okay, all right students. So today what are we going to discuss? We are going to discuss about this new type of shape only which we have got by joining these three dots and the three lines, which is known as a, yes, a triangle. This is a triangle, students. So today we are going to study about the triangle, its concept and types. What are we going to discuss, students, today? Yes, triangle, its concept and types. Very good, students. So now if I ask you that how can you define a triangle in your own words by seeing it, which we have drawn? Yes, you will say that a triangle is made up of three dots or the three lines, right? By joining them, we get a figure which is called a triangle. Yes, very good, students. So basically, what is the concept of triangle we are having? We can see that it is a simple closed figure which is made up of the three line segments, where you have seen that how we have joined the three line segments and we have got the three sides and a simple closed figure we have got. And also it has three vertices, we can say three sides and the three angles it is having. So students, if I draw a triangle over here like this, which I have taken the three vertex, three sides like this. This is first vertex. Let me name it as A. This is second B. This is C. So eventually we can say that a triangle is a closed figure. It is closed from all the sides. It has three vertex and it has these three sides, which is side 1, side 2, and this is side 3. Okay. So this is what we mean by the triangle. And also students, you can see the angles. We can also see three angles are there: angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, so are we clear with it what is a triangle? Yes, a simple closed figure having three vertex, three sides and three angles inside it. So students, what are the vertex over here if we have to name? Yes, A, B, C. And what are the three, you can say, lines? Yes, you can name them as AB, then BC, and then CA. Very good, students. And what about the three angles? Yes, you can name them as angle A simply, or you can say BAC, and angle ABC, and angle B, C, and A. Right? Yes. So are we clear with it? What is the concept of the triangle? The basic concept, that what actually a triangle is. Yes, very good, students. So now let us move further. So students, if I ask you to just look around yourself and find out the triangular objects which are there nearby you or at your surroundings. So are you able to find some? Yes, students, there are actually lot many. The sandwich also which we eat, right? It is also in the form of triangular shape. And what else? Okay, you can also see a type of scale is present in your geometry box, which is also in the triangular shape. Yeah, let me show you a few things like which are triangular in shape, which we have a scale. You can see this is having three vertex, it is closed, it is having three sides and the three angles. Similarly, the signboard is also there, students. Different types of signboard are present on the roads, like which are making the triangle shape. Very good. So now, students, it's time for you to choose the correct option, that a triangle has two sides, two angles, two vertex, three sides, two angles, one vertex, three sides, three angles and three vertex, or one side, two angles and three vertex. You can give your answer as A, B, C, D in the comment section, students, for this question. Very good. So just now we have discussed that a triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertex. Okay. So correct answer will be C. Very good. Now students, what do you see on the screen? Yes, there is another triangle, okay, which is formed. We can see that this is formed by the roof of a house, okay, which has three vertices, three sides and three angles, and it is a closed figure also. So students, now basically if I ask you that these lines are representing that one single line are representing that this side is equal to the this side, but the third side is different in measurement, okay. Yes, now look at this scale. Is it also forming a triangle? Yes, it is forming. So students, what can you say about the side lengths? Are the length of the side of this triangle same? No, they are different. Very good. And what about this? Yes, here also it is a forming triangle, and we can say that yes, all sides are looking equal to us, right? Yes, very good, students. So now we are actually going to discuss about the types of triangles based on their sides, okay. That what are the types of triangles if the side is not equal, if two sides are equal, if all the sides are equal, what is the name we are giving to them, okay. So students, basically based on the sides the triangles are of three types, okay. One is scalene, another is isosceles, then equilateral. So what is a scalene triangle? Let us discuss one by one. So students, a triangle, scalene triangle is a triangle which has all the side length of the different measurement. You can see that they all are different. All the three sides are different in measurement. If one is 2 centimeter, other will be 4 and next will be 6. So all these three are the different. So scalene triangle, we can represent triangle by this symbol also. Like, so scalene triangle, we can say all sides different. And next type of triangle, students, is it isosceles triangle. Students, isosceles triangle is what? In which the length of two of the three sides are equal. Means among the three sides, length of the two sides must be equal. So we can see that two sides are equal in isosceles. And the third type of triangle, student, it is equilateral triangle. So students, basically, what is the equilateral triangle? Yes, we can say that in an equilateral triangle, the length, just ignore these angles, focus on the length, that length of the all the sides are equal. All sides equal. Okay, in the equilateral triangle. So I hope now it is clear to you. Yes, let's move ahead now. So students, if I ask you to consider this figure, okay, and tell me that how can you classify this triangle on the basis of the side of it, that which type of triangle it is. So where you can see over here, students, I told you that these two lines are similar lines which are representing that these two sides are equal. Okay, so if we have two sides equal in a triangle, so we are categorizing it as which type of triangle based on the sides? Yes, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is the isosceles triangle, student. So students, if I ask you that among these three, where which if you have to classify now this triangle based on the three which we have discussed. So the house is basically forming, the roof of the house is forming. Yes, it is an isosceles triangle. And what about the scale where all the sides are different in length? Yes, these are, it is the scalene triangle. And what about the triangles which is made by these, you can say, the puppets? Yes, first one is looking that they are all, if they are all equal in length, it is an equilateral triangle. And if only at the back side you can say the two sides are equal, so we can say that that is a, yes, isosceles triangle. Very good, students. So now let's move ahead. So if I ask you students to give the answer as true or false for this statement, that the a scalene triangle has all the side lengths of same measures, is the statement true or a false statement, students? Very good, students. So you all are correct that a scalene triangle is not that triangle which has all sides same measure. Rather, it is a false statement. All the sides are, students, different in the scalene, right? So this is false. Now students, I'm going to show you few more images. What you have to do, just try to see what is being shown over here. Different angles, students, which are being shown to us, right? Yes, in these different triangles, three types of triangles, and we can say some angle measurements are given over here. Very good, students. So now let's move ahead. let's see that what are we going to discuss based the triangle, the classification of the triangle actually on the basis of what? Yes, basis of the angles. So now types of triangles based on their angles. Now students, first type of triangle based on the angle is the obtuse angle triangle, which is a triangle whose any one of the angle, any one angle is an obtuse angle. So we can say obtuse angle means the angle more than 90 degree. So it is called an obtuse angled triangle. So here you can see which angle is greater than 90 degree. Yes, this one. This is greater than 90 degree. So we are saying that this is the obtuse angled triangle. Okay. Which type of triangle? Yes, obtuse angle triangle. Now the acute angle triangle, student. A triangle whose any one of the angle, any one angle is an acute angle. We can say that or less than 90 degree, it is an acute angle triangle. So here we can say that since all the angles here shown is less than 90 degree, which is 40 degree, 75 degree and the 65 degree. So we will classify this triangle as the acute angle triangle. So first we have discussed the obtuse angle triangle, where one side is greater than 90 degree, one angle, sorry, and acute angle whose one angle is less than 90 degree. Now let us discuss the third type of angle, students. Okay, what do you think, what will be the third type of angle? We have seen greater than 90 degree, less than 90 degree. Now which type of angle are we going to see? The triangle based on which angle? Yes, very good. If it is equal to 90 degree, then what we can say? Okay, consider if it is equal to the 90 degree angle. So what name we are giving? It is a right angle triangle if one of its angle is 90 degree. Right angled triangle. Okay. So I hope now students we are clear that what is obtuse angled, what is acute angle triangle and the right angle triangle, right? The three types of different triangles which we have discussed. So what we will be doing in the next class, we will be discussing about their applications. Okay. For just now, we are considering that what is a triangle, the based on the sides or based on the angles, how we are classifying them. Okay. Very good, students. So now it's time for you to fill in this blank. That if all the three angles of a triangle are acute angles, that is each measure less than 90 degree, it is called a dash triangle. What type of triangle, students, it is called? Very good. It is called an acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Students, now let us. So, students, today we have learnt about the triangle, its concept, and the various types. So, let us summarize our class. That what is triangle, students? Yes, a triangle is a closed figure which has three sides, three vertex, and three angles. That figure we are terming it as a triangle. Now you have to name these triangles, students. First is which is having all acute angles. Very good, acute angle triangle. And which is having one obtuse angle. Yes, it is obtuse angle triangle. Very good. And which is one if it is having only one right angle which is 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree angle. One angle is 90 degree and so it is called. Very good, student. It is called right angle triangle. Now it's time for you to students do the homework question. that question 1 is we have to write the side opposite to the vertex which is Q of triangle PQR. Okay, and the angle opposite to the side LM of triangle LMN, and the vertex which is opposite to the side RT of RST. Then in the question 2 we have to discuss, look at the following figures and classify the each triangle on the basis of the sides and the angles. And third is you have to define each type of triangle based on the sides and angles. Yes, then students, it is homework time for you. What you have to do, basically read out these steps, make few triangles, classify them on the basis of the sides and angles. Okay, what you will do, you will write out the names of those triangles by the side of chart paper. For the other instructions, you can read very carefully this activity and perform it. Thank you, students.